Welcome to the Ultimate Trust Wallet Walkthrough. Trust Wallet is a leading multi-cryptocurrency wallet designed to simplify how users manage and store digital assets securely. In this video, we will explore every key feature of the platform to help you unlock its full potential. To begin, Trust Wallet stands out for its user-friendly interface and strong emphasis on privacy and security. Whether you're managing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, or a diverse range of altcoins, the platform ensures seamless storage and exchange functionality. Its decentralized nature eliminates the need for third-party control, making it a top choice for crypto enthusiasts. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To access Trust Wallet, download the app from your device's official app store. After installation, you can create a new wallet or import an existing one using a secure recovery phrase. Always save this phrase in a secure location, as it is your key to recovering access to your wallet. Trust Wallet supports staking, allowing you to earn rewards directly within the app. Navigate to the staking section, select your preferred crypto asset, and follow the on-screen instructions to start earning passive income. Trust Wallet also integrates with decentralized apps, dApps, giving you access to NFT marketplaces, DeFi protocols, and more without leaving the platform. One of the standout features is the Integrated Decentralized Exchange, DEX, which enables instant swapping of cryptocurrencies. This ensures you're never limited by centralized platforms when it comes to converting one asset into another. The platform also offers a native browser for exploring dApps, enhancing your blockchain experience. For added security, Trust Wallet allows you to enable biometrics or a PIN code. Combine this with offline storage capabilities for private keys, and your assets are safeguarded from unauthorized access. To fund your wallet, you can either transfer from another wallet or buy crypto directly using your debit or credit card within the app. Trust Wallet's compatibility with various blockchains ensures that you can diversify your portfolio while maintaining control of your assets in one place. With Trust Wallet, you have the power to explore the crypto world without compromising on safety or accessibility. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth crypto tutorials.